Hi everyone, I am Dr. Nasir Khan, Assistant Professor in Economics, Department of Economics, Sarhami Government Arts and Commerce College, Newtown, Badravati. Today I am presenting before you a mobile lecture of my favorite topic, budget, which I have prepared for presentation at 50th online short-term course on e-learning development at HRDC Gujarat University, Ahmedabad. I thank Gujarat University Ahmedabad and HRDC Cell for providing me an opportunity to be part of this wonderful course in which I have learned many things, particularly on how to develop e-contents, uh, you know, for the period in which we are going through the rough period of lockdown. It is very helpful. I thank Dr. Joshi and his team for providing us an wonderful opportunity. Let us begin with the meaning of the budget. Budget is the annual financial statement of anticipated revenue and expenditure of the government. Whereas Taylor explained this in this way. According to him, it brings together estimate of anticipated revenue and proposed expenditure for the budget years. So, a particular period is 1 year in which the government tries to bring about the anticipated revenue and expenditures during 1 year period. So in the budget we can see three important set of figures. First one is actual figures of previous year 2018 and 19 here for example. Secondly, revised estimate of current year 2019 and 20. Thirdly, estimates of coming year 2020 and 2021. I have a look at how budget is look like. See, it contains mainly two things. One side is a revenue, that is we also call it as receipts, and another side it is a expenditure. In the revenue side, we have two budget: revenue budget and capital budget. On the expenditure side, we have revenue expenditure as well as capital expenditure. So let us see how revenue is generated. It is generated mainly through tax and non-tax aspects. And expenditure is classified as plan expenditure and non-plan expenditure. Even we have a classification of capital expenditure in the form of plan as well as non-plan expenditure also. Let us see the meaning of four important aspects of budgets, in which budget deficit is a main thing. Budget deficit is total expenditure minus total revenue. It may be regarded as a total budgetary deficits. Let us see about the revenue deficits. Revenue deficit here refers to difference between the revenue expenditure and revenue receipts. So fiscal deficit is the most important aspect of budget, which involves total expenditure minus revenue receipts plus recovery of loans and other receipts. And finally, we have primary deficits. Primary deficits is equal to fiscal deficit minus interest payments. So this is a brief introduction about how the budget looks like. If you want to explain the budget of the government of India, we need more time. Uh, this is the simple explanation of budget that I have prepared. Thank you. Thank you for the wonderful opportunity given to me by HRDC Cell, Gujarat University, Ahmedabad, and a big salute to Joshi sir and his entire team. Thank you. Thank you, sir.